Hello, hello, friends. It's Danny here of Danny's Dreams, and Happy New Year. I know I've been absent for a few weeks, but I did take a break and I worked on projects behind the scenes so that we could kick off 2023 with a bang. I am starting my new series, Morning with Danny. Guess I can't talk in the new year either. Where I'm just going to have quick videos sharing like products that I used, creations that I made, etc. I aim to have at least 3 videos up a week. Some weeks might be more, some might be less. So let's get to it. Today, the first, is a Sunday. So I'm starting off with shopping my stash. For the month of January, I'm going to be shopping my stash for coffee themed items or tea or like hot cocoa, those type things. I guess I have that upside down. So I did 2 cards for today. The first one uses this ink and splatter mocha latte paper. And then it also uses this gnome latte stamp set. So much fun, super fun gnomes. And then on that card, I also used my favorite dies that I use on almost every card. The My Favorite Things A2 Stitched Rectangle Stacks Set 1. For my second card, I used a digital stamp from Krista Smith, which is not available at the moment. I do believe that she is going to start selling some of her images, or her digital images, again on Patreon, but I'm not 100% sure of that. So it was a digital stamp, but I paired it with a sentiment from the coffee order stamp set from My Favorite Things. This is a great, great sentiment set for a coffee lover. And then I used the wonky stitched circle dies and wonky stitched oval dies from Gina Marie Designs. Onto my cards. First up, using those cute gnomes and that fun paper. I forgot to look it up right away. I did use some sketches for these. I believe this was a Mojo Monday. The other one I think was Freshly Made Sketches. Not 100% sure. I'll link everything in the description box below. Colored with some Copic markers. Nothing better than coffee with my gnome. And then there's the inside. So there's that. I really thought that layout was super fun. And then my second card uses this one. Again, it's a digital stamp from Krista Smith. And then let's do coffee. Actually, I don't think I used a sketch. I think I just used some old but basic gray paper for that. And then just basic easy peasy on the inside. So there are my 2 cards for today. I'm super excited to be back. Super excited to be doing Mornings with Danny. So I hope that your 2023 is off to a great start. And I will actually be back in just a few hours for a video hop with Not Too Shabby. And I look forward to spending mornings with you again. Have a super amazing day and go do something crafty.